Superman, the brightest in the sky.
The last son of a dying planet came to Earth with abilities greater than those of mortal humans. But more importantly, he always aspires to do what's right and inspires others to do the same. Minutes before the planet Krypton exploded, Jor-El and Lara placed their baby, Kal-El, in a rocket ship and launched him into space. The rocket ship traveled across the universe carrying Kal-El to Earth, where the kind farm couple Jonathan and Martha Kent found and adopted him. Given the name Clark by his new parents, the child learned he had many special abilities such as superhuman strength, amazing speed, and the ability to fly, which he decided to use to help others. When Clark grew up, he was known by another name, Superman. He was always friendly and eager to help. People looked up to Superman, and not just because he flew through the sky.
Jor-El told his son in a recorded message that the people of Earth can be great people, Kal-El. They wish to be. They only lack the light to show the way. For this reason, above all, their capacity for good, I have sent them you, my only son. Jor-El believed his son, who would one day become Superman, could be a great role model to everyone on Earth. It would be awesome to lift mountains like they were small rocks, or fly around the world in seconds. But you do not need to do these things to be like Superman. Just be a role model. You can be one by setting a good example for others, such as your friends, classmates, and siblings. You can even be a role model for other adults. Just tell them, Superman sent you.
A role model is someone who inspires people to be better and try harder. They set examples that others want to follow. Stick with your values. Superman fought for truth and justice. Those were his values. To be a good role model, you have to follow a clear set of values or rules. The easy part is learning your values, like being honest, fair, kind, and respectful. The hard part is living by them every day. Does that sound like something only Superman could do? Don't worry. His powers developed over time as he grew up. It might take you a little time to become a good role model.
Ways to be a role model. Don't tell lies. Never cheat. Offer help to people who need it. Be nice to everyone. Even role models need role models. Superman had a couple of good role models of his own with his adopted Earth parents, the Kents. He learned most of his strong values from them as they raised him in Smallville, Kansas. Superman may have gotten his powers from his birth parents on Krypton, but the Kents showed him how to be a great person.
A fly-by friend. Even when Superman was busy saving the day, he always took the time to help someone in need. When he saw someone who was sad, he said, "It's never as bad as it seems. You're much stronger than you think you are. Trust me." He was encouraging the sad person. Encourage means you show support about something. As a role model, always keep a lookout for people who might be having a bad day. Try to cheer them up. If a teammate is worried because the team has lost a few games, tell them not to give up and to think about how to win the next game. You can encourage your friends to be hopeful by staying hopeful yourself. When people saw Superman flying through the air, they would say, "Look up in the sky." When you are a role model, people will look up to you even when your feet are firmly on the ground.
Symbol of hope. That symbol on Superman's chest is not just the letter S for his name. It is the symbol for the hope in Kryptonian, the language people spoke on Krypton. If you're going to make your own symbol of hope, what would it look like? We skipped. What would it look like? Try to draw your own and share it with your friends. So that is what we're going to work on today.